How we doing? Welcome back into the den. Episode 14 in my brush review series, the Pure Bliss from AP Shave Co. I did my first impressions of this back on May 22nd. I've had a handful of opportunities to use this a lot. I love this knot. Let's get into it. You know the routine by now. And if you don't, episode 1 and episode 2 of this series has a breakdown for you. Mine is a 28 millimeter, and this is a super high density synthetic knot. Soft tips, it's a 6. It is perfectly soft. It's not too soft. It's like that Goldilocks kind of soft. It's just right. Face feel, same thing, man. It's a 6. Now, what I really like about this is that because it is a super high density, you get good backbone, and the ease of splay is not, it's just right because you really get this nice scrubby feeling. I'm giving backbone a 7 and ease of splay a 4. So with that, you get this nice backbone, like a good amount of backbone, not a lot, but just enough to, be like, hey, I'm here. How you doing? And then with that super high density, you get this good, just scrubby, synthetic scrub to it. And I really do like it. The flow through is a little less than average because of the super high density. It doesn't allow the soap and water to flow through as easy as others. So I've given it a 4 on flow. And then retention, though, because of the super high density. And I can't help but wonder how many different types of fibers are actually in this one. For instance, Mula's STF has seven different fibers in it. I'm only guessing, but I believe that this one at least has a few different fibers in it. Between the high density and whatever fibers they're actually using in this Black Badger synthetic knot, it's got great retention to where if you get carried away, it would be messy. But, with your typical use, I don't feel like it's messy. It's got good retention. Flow through, a 4. Retention, a 7. Now, value. This is a great value, and I think that if you spend under $50 for it, I'm going to give it a 9. For an example, right now, the 24 millimeter and the 26 millimeter are the same price, $20. You get the 28 millimeter for $27. I don't think that was the price when I bought mine. I bought mine when they were brand new. But if you were to buy a 26 millimeter or even a 24 for $20, you can get a handle like mine, and just like with my blue one and with my red one, I got them out of the seconds bin, and I only paid $6 for them. So there's no reason why you couldn't get even one of these that aren't in the seconds bin, because these only sell for $10. So you can get this brush easily for $30 or less. But even if you spent up to $50, I still feel like you're getting a great value, that this is a very well done knot. It really is. And if you like a super high dense, a little more, a little bit more backbone than the average synthetic, that this thing, it's great. It really is. And it's got that nice black look to it. I seriously love this brush. When I bought it back in May, I was kind of hesitant with it because, the name Pure Bliss. I'm like, yeah, right. It's not going to be Pure Bliss. But, and like I said, I think in the first impressions, or I said maybe in the video when I was using it, that bliss isn't really a word that I would use, but the name does fit. I mean, overall, it's a joy to use. It really is. I love this knot, and I highly recommend it. I'm giving it a value of 9 if you spend it under $50. But even over that, right? If you buy like a super fancy handle, it's all in the eye of the beholder, because Andrew does have some super nice handles that will cost you a little bit more. Thank you for joining me. Episode 14. In my next video, we'll talk about some of the giveaways and giveaway winners. I need to get all my ducks in a row with the 2K subscriber giveaway that we have going on here in August. It's a little big things, my friends. And it all starts with a damn fine shave brush. Take care.